Floor work is at the core of my dance practice. Dancing with my body without my wheelchair brings an important connection to myself and the floor. I warm up daily by starting on the floor, stretching and connecting with my body. I've developed a movement vocabulary that utilizes moving my legs to move my whole body, placing myself in a balanced fashion. Though I can't feel my lower half, I have a strong connection and know where my bones are. When I started dancing, I liked to be reckless and throw my legs in daring ways. Now, I'm more interested in considered movement and consciously placing my legs or hips in ways where I feel I can access clean and controlled movement. Feeling how my whole body is connected and how the pull of one limb in one direction affects your whole skeleton in connection with the floor and a sense of gravity brings nuance that is crucial for a dancer. In my duet 111 with Yves Mutso, there's a section where I do a solo floor phrase and then Yves joins me in unison. Much of what we were researching was about skeletal structure. As Yves translated my movement to her body, thinking about functional movement as opposed to an aesthetic was key to finding unison. Most of these videos have been about chair work, which elements of gravity and feeling connected also apply. But I think floor work is special, and I recommend spending some time seeing where you can go.